Hello, I'm Wolfgang from Tormek. One of the best things I know is to bring back an old or broken kitchen knife to a new life. It's very easy, it can be done in the kitchen, and this is what I want to show you today. And it's a lot of fun. You can see here, this is a quite cheap knife. The tip is gone, and even a deep check and other small damages on the bevel and even stain on the blade. This will be removed and restored. What I want to do now is just to make a marking all the way what we want to take away, that the knife looks good, in a good shape it was before. So a little bit more on the top, nice smooth transition. So this will be gone, and then we will of course take away all this in the bottom here. This is the shape of the new edge. To restore our knife, we'll use the Tormek T-8 together with the standard stone SJ-250. You can use also the T4 with our standard stone SJ-200. If you want to speed up the process, because you have to remove quite a bit of material, you can use alternatively the Blackstone SB250 or our diamond wheel Coarse DC250. Nice and smooth. Now we set a new bevel on it. Now, after we are finished with the knife, and you want a little bit extra magic, then we will use to fine perfect edge the Japanese stone 4000 grit.